Once upon a time, in a hidden valley where the stars seemed to shine brighter than anywhere else, there lay a magical garden. It was a place of dreams, where every night, when the moonlight kissed the dewdrops on the petals, the flowers would bloom in hues unseen by mortal eyes. Only the fairies of the valley could tend to this garden, for it held ancient magic that kept the world in balance. Among these fairies was a delicate and curious one named Elowin. She had silver wings that shimmered like the stars and a heart full of wonder. Elowin was entrusted with a special task. She cared for the most extraordinary flower in the garden, the moonblossom. This flower bloomed only once a year, and its light was said to bring hope to all who gazed upon it. One year, however, the moonblossom did not bloom. The garden's magic dimmed, and the fairies whispered in worry. Elowin, determined to save the garden, sought the advice of the ancient elder tree. The tree told her that a shadow had fallen over the heart of the valley, draining the magic, and only an act of pure kindness could restore it. Without hesitation, Elowin flew to the darkest corner of the valley, where the shadow was thickest. There, she found a lost creature, a small, sad fox with eyes full of sorrow. It had wandered into the valley, seeking warmth and light, but the shadow had taken away its hope. Elowin knew what she had to do. She shared her light with the fox, singing to it with the sweetest song the fairies knew. As her voice filled the air, the shadow began to lift, and the fox's eyes sparkled with joy once more. In that moment, the moon blossom in the garden bloomed, brighter and more beautiful than ever before. The valley was restored, the magic returned, and the fairies danced in the moonlit garden once again. Elowin's kindness had not only saved the fox but also revived the heart of the valley. And from that day on, the moon blossom bloomed every night, a symbol of hope, love, and the gentle magic of kindness. And so, the valley remained ever bright, bathed in the moonlight and the glow of a fairy's pure heart.